Hello friends, welcome to your channel. In this video, we will cover stack class of Java collection framework. Stack class do not directly implement list interface. Stack class extends vector class. We could compare this bucket with stack. We could add elements only at the top of the stack. Similarly, we could remove elements only from the top of the stack. That means those who will come last will exit first. Now we want to add ball number 1 into the stack. In stack's term, it is called push. Similarly, we have pushed ball number 2, ball number 3 into the stack. Ball number 3 is the last ball that is pushed to the stack. Now, if we want to take out the balls from the stack, ball number 3 would be the first ball that we will take out from the stack. That is why it is called last in, first out. The operation of taking out an element from the stack is called pop. First, we have popped ball number 3, then 2, and finally ball number 1. Using empty method, we could check whether the stack is empty or not. To know which element is at the top of the stack, we could use peek method. There is a concept of offset in stack. Offset start from 1. Topmost element of the stack's offset is 1. Accordingly, below elements offset increase. Ball number 3 offset is 1, ball number 2 offset is 2, and ball number 1's offset is 3. An instance of stack could be created like this. Using push method, we are adding elements to the stack. Using peek method, we could know which element is at the top of the stack. To remove the topmost element of the stack, we are using pop method. Using empty method, we could check whether the stack is empty or not. To know the offset of an element in the stack, we could use search method. Thank you for watching this video. I keep uploading videos like this regularly. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and like and comment in the video.